Alright everybody, quick video here on the graphic organizer. We need to have a way to organize some of this information so we know when to do what with finding measures of angles in circles. So how do you find the measure of various angles associated with parts of the circle? We're going to determine the location of the vertex. It's a big deal to know where is the vertex. Where is your vertex? So let's say it's on the center of the circle. So on the center. If it's on the center, it's made up by two radii. R-A-D-I-I, weird word. And the angle equals the arc. It's a pretty simple one. After that, we learned about if the vertex was on the circle. So on the circle. And in that situation, the vertex or the angle was made up by two chords, or a diameter and a chord. But we're just going to put two chords. Actually, we'll go ahead and put one diameter and one chord. And in that situation, the angle equals half the arc. Graphic organizers are great study tools, so this is something you definitely want to go back to look at before quizzes and tests. We also, on 8G, we learned about if the vertex was inside the circle. But not on the center, remember, not the center. Then it's made up by two chords. And in that situation, the angle equals 1/2 of the big arc plus the little arc. Okay, so 1/2 big arc plus little arc. However you want to put that. I know my writing here is god awful. So if you want to put like big arc plus little arc, and then all of that over 2, that might be helpful. And then if it's outside the circle, if the vertex is outside the circle, then it can be made up by all sorts of stuff. It can be made up by two tangents, two secants, or one of each. And in that situation, the angle equals 1/2 the big arc, minus the little arc. Okay? Or if you want to put, like we did earlier, big arc minus little arc all over 2. Alright, just a quick video to help you walk you through the graphic organizer in case you didn't get that. But yeah, this is really important. Great study tool, okay? Great study tool. Yeah, worth a look. Have a blast. Have a great week in school. And little known piece of trivia, the words inflammable and flammable mean the same thing. You're welcome.